Okay, just going to swatch out some new Daniel Smith paints that I've picked up yesterday when I was hanging around the art shop. Just a few colours. I got Cobalt Blue, Aussie Red Gold and Yellow Ochre. Just some colours that I haven't had in my collection, and wanting to extend myself, paint in different shades for a change. Anyway, this is my swatching book that I have everything in. This is my book, so this is what I swatch everything out in when I get them. New paints, new colours, how they work together. Alright, so this is my book. Get that there. Alright, so what I normally do is Cobalt Blue, we'll start with that. So I've written the name, each of the colours. Oh, look at that. That does look beautiful. Just a little dot on each one. Yellow ochre. So that's a lot. We don't want all that. Try and get that down. There we are. You know that if you squeeze them sideways, they might. I only want a little bit of that. I'll fix that up later. There we go. A little bit of that and some Aussie Red Gold. Beautiful. There we are. Put that back in. Okay. Do that later as well. You can go back in. I don't want that sitting out. Okay. So what I like to do when I'm swatching, a little bit of water and pulling the colour down. And a bit of water and bring it down and bring it all the way out with just clean water so I can see the shades of what it's going to be. Yeah, look, I'm big on using ultramarine blue for skies, but that cobalt blue, I really like that. I think that's going to be beautiful. Yellow ochre. Yeah, that's nice. Oh, it's a bit of green. Look how they mix together. What sort of green they make together. Do that. A little bit more off here. Not a lot of green to it. Yep, that's interesting. So it's those two together. It's real, very earthy. A bit more blue. That's really interesting. I thought it would be more green than that. Okay, let's play with the Aussie Red Gold. Oh, yum. Wow, what a colour. Wow. Wow. Let's grab a bit more cobalt blue. There. I'll play with those two together. What that does. Pick up a bit of that. Don't want that. Oops. Come on. There you go. Oh, that's a nice green. Yeah. A little bit of cobalt. Very nice. That's going to be a beautiful olive green. Interesting. Really interesting, the colours that they mix together to make. Really interesting. Where's my yellow ochre? I'll have a bit more of that. Play. That's nice. It's a beautiful colour. That just makes it a little muter. Just a little bit of the yellow ochre, the Aussie Red Gold. Beautiful. There you go. Really surprising. Really surprised at what the Cobalt Blue doesn't make much of a green. I'm surprised. That's a nice colour. It's a real denim blue. There we go. Anyway, new paints, lots to learn, always. Lots to learn. I will now write some notes about the colours and what I like. That's beautiful. It's a real gum leaf green. Beautiful. So that's Cobalt and Aussie red gold. Makes a beautiful leaf green. Beautiful. Anyway, that's my new supplies for today.